His Majesty, King Hassan II of Morocco, who we met this morning and was my guest at luncheon. He's a firm friend of the United States. His working visit to Washington gives us an opportunity to build on 2 centuries of cordial diplomatic relations between our 2 countries. It's a real personal privilege and pleasure to have His Majesty as our guest. King Hassan is the leader of a great nation at the crossroads of 2 continents lying on NATO's southern flank at the entrance to the Mediterranean. It has deep ties to Africa, Europe, the Middle East, and the whole Islamic world. We therefore discuss not only bilateral relations, and we bid you welcome.
Mr. President, I shall try to be understood against and even my very bad English, but I shall try to speak the language of the heart to thank you very deeply, you and your government and your people, for your hospitality. And I can assure you that from yesterday in the afternoon still now, I really felt that I was between very strong and loyal friends. Naturally, the nature of the problems of the United States and the nature of our problems in Morocco, they have not the same volume, and they are not at the same level. But the nature is the same. Our problems, like yours problems, are to live in the dignity, in the freedom, and in the way of life which our people chose for themselves, and for the future. A big ocean is between United States and Morocco. But we must, each day, after each day, we must try to build a bridge